Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Samir Inc. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password using Command Prompt 2020. All right. Um, Before we start, I would like you guys to hit the likes, share, and and the subscribe button, just to support my channel, and I'll appreciate it if you do so. Alright, now let's start with our video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your Wi-Fi password using command prompt, as I mentioned earlier, in a few easy steps. And step one is going to click on Start menu, and here in the bottom, you're going to see where it says Type here to search. We're going to type in CMD, and that'll be stand for command prompt. We're going to hit Enter. Next, we're going to do CD backslash, and that'll be for change directory. And as you see on your screen, I'm going to just zoom in a little bit more. All right. So as you see on your screen right now, it's going to be you type in the change directory backslash. You're going to see the bottom right there. Um, you're going to see C colon forward slash. Alrighty. And the next command is going to be netch. Alright. And now we enter into netch command side. All right. So next we're gonna type WLAN show profile. Just this command we enter right now, WLAN show profile, is gonna show you all the Wi-Fi host name slash uh, Wi-Fi hotspot account like users is going to be showing up on your computer that you were connected to before. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean by that. So WLAN command show profile is going to show the history of uh, a Wi-Fi connection that you were connected in the past using this computer that we're working with right now. All right, so we're gonna hit enter. As you see, as I mentioned to you, it's going to show you all the user profiles slash Wi-Fi names listed below. So in my case, what I'm going to look for, I'm going to try to retrieve the password for this. Right here it says files dash for W8HK. All right, so we're going to type in the follow command, WLAN show profile, files for W8HK. Alright. Oops. I mistyped the dash. There we go. Now we're gonna type this command to find what was the password I used to log into this Wi-Fi. Alright. So we're gonna type in WLAN show profiles and the profile name of the Wi-Fi that you tried to retrieve the password for, and you're going to type in, after that is going to type in K equal clear. All right, we're going to hit enter, and you're going to see after we hit enter for to see what the Wi-Fi password was. Uh, you see right here it says it's going to show you everything that profile interface as well as network connection info. It will show all the info for that connection specifically. All right, so we're gonna go in the bottom under security setting. You're gonna see key content. All right, the key content is where is your password usually is, and that's my password. That's my password that I need to save to connect to my Wi-Fi securely. All right, and see, this is the easy few steps you need to know how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password using command prompt on Windows 7 and 10. All right, please, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the bell notification. All right, and please, whatever kind of video that you guys need, for me to work on and get like make a video about, please leave in a comment. And I hope you guys have a good day. Until next day, Samir Inc. Have a good day, guys.